Hey Tigers. Today I want to show you how to use the citation tool to cite from the language of composition, since we're going to be writing our paper using sources from that textbook. So first things first is we need to grab our citation tool. When we click in here, we are accessing a book, but we want to select a book section. And so each time you're going to be quoting from a different essay in here, you want to do a new book section. And we are accessing it in print. We can search with the ISBN for this one. And so the ISBN is on the back above the barcode. So it's 978-1319 056148. And then I'm going to search. And it does have some information missing because I haven't told it what section I'm doing, but this looks correctly, so I'm going to click continue. Now you'll see there's a bunch of book authors. Technically they're editors, right? They're putting things together. They're all along the bottom of the book, right? So all of these are authors on the book. So there's like 4 of them, right? And this looks correct on here, but we also need to add another contributor. So we're going to click add a contributor. It's going to default to section author, and that's what we want. We want to write who the section author is. So I'm going to pretend like I'm quoting from this education one in defense of liberal education. So I'm going to put in the author's name. So that's Fareed Zakaria. And then I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to ask me for the section title, and the essay is called In Defense of a Liberal Education. And then I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to ask me for pages. So it's 179 through 189. And the rest of this stuff I don't really need, because the stuff that I actually need is all filled out. So I'm going to click Add Citation Source. And you want to check and make sure, because you want the actual author's name to be the very first thing. So it did it right. You can see that it has this Renee Hausman Shea et al. That's all the authors down here on the bottom. Essentially, it's saying there's a whole bunch of authors, and the first one is Renee Hausman Shea, and then there's some other people. They're not really the important people. We don't want to cite from them because they're not writing this. If we were maybe doing like the essay at the beginning of the section, then that would be them, and we would cite all of them together. But we're citing from Fareed Zakaria. And so that's who we want to be our first. And so when I'm putting this in, if I have a quote from this, I can just click cite, and then I can put in the page number. So maybe it's 180. Also, when I'm all done, and like, let's say I want to do this for my annotated bibliography or something, I can click the Insert Works Cited page, and then I can come and copy this and go put it where I need to in my annotated bibliography, or if this is the final draft, I can just put that on the very last page, and it'll have all my sources. So every essay that you're going to use from the language of composition, you're going to have to do this for, because each one is going to have a different author. And so, if I want to do the next one, I'm going to click Add Citation Source. I'm going to do a book section. I'm going to do print. I'm going to put in the ISBN number. I'm going to find the stuff that I need to find. I'm going to just get it all set up, because as I'm going along, I want to continue to add to my citation tool. Anyway, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. And good luck citing your sources.